Hi, my name is Tejas Vyas. I am director of Oyster Living Group that is operative in Mumbai MMR region. As we say that the housing being the most basic need of any human dwelling, and India being a highly populated country, housing is the core an issue also and a good prospect also as a real estate market. More specifically talking about Mumbai MMR, if the market in Mumbai MMR itself is a very high growth potential market. The need for housing is growing and it's ever expanding because of the migration. As Mumbai is the financial epicenter, the migration is ever expanding in Mumbai MMR. So I think overall, I can say it's green go for the next 5 to 10 years. The issues, so to speak, is the clearances. If my study is right, then recently World Bank also has issued one rating in which India stands at 142nd place. It dropped down by 2 places and it now stands at 142nd place in ease of doing business. And there are two categories where we stand at one of the last stage, like 184th and 186th. One of them is clearances in real estate. So the core issue in developing a mass housing or affordable housing is the time taken for approvals, the sanctions, the clearances from the government, and the policies. With the new government coming in, we are very optimistic to see this area of real estate and housing being changed for good. As I understand, whatever I've known about Singapore real estate is that the government basically controls the inventory and the demand supply of the real estate. Wherein India being a very large state, a very large state compared to Singapore, probably only thing we can learn from Singapore is the systems in terms of how government's intervention helps private and public sector to develop faster in terms of ease of doing real estate business. If you have seen traditionally, real estate, though they are real estate sector in itself, are the unsung heroes of the society. A private developer or a private sector developer has always played a major and significant role. If you see, I am from Mumbai, but everywhere in India, the development has been driven by the real estate sector. Be it any corner of the world, be it any corner of India, if you go, real estate is the firm driver of any infrastructure, any urbanization, any project, and including mass housing. So I think government, the need of our hour is that government should join hand with private sector and take it on a further larger level. We do have schemes like slum rehabilitation, we have do Rajiv Awas Yojana, we do have MHADA in Mumbai MMR, we have several schemes like affordable housing, many things are there. But I think the time has come to elevate all these policies into a very larger and a higher state to make the 2022 dream of our Prime Minister of housing for all come true.